Hello, Bachu. Let's read the question. The question says among the species which has the weakest carbon oxygen bond. Option A CO2, option B CH3 COO minus, option C CO, option D CO3 2 minus. So in this, what will be the key concept? Here in this question, what they have asked, we have to find out weakest carbon oxygen bond. So here we have to find out weakest carbon oxygen bond. This thing we have to find out. So in order to find out weakest carbon oxygen bond, we must know the relation between these. So that is the relation here. It is the bond, that is the bond length and the bond strength. It is directly related. So the bond strength, it is directly related to bond strength. It is directly related to bond order. Bond order. So here, if bond strength it is less, bond order also will be less. Or bond order it is less, bond strength also less. So if bond strength less, the bond will be weak bond. If it is less, the bond will be weak bond. So if it is a bond order, it is least among the given species, bond strength also least, and the bond will be the weakest bond. That is the concept we are using here. Now we'll see the among these which having the least bond order. So we have to calculate the bond order for each and every species. Then we'll come to know which having the least bond order. So the bond order, it is given by the formula bond order. Bond order is equal to number of resonating bonds, number of resonating bond divided by number of resonating structures, number of resonating structures. So by using this formula, we can determine the bond order. So first of all, the compound A, CO2, CO2, the bond order here, it is the number of resonating bonds, C double bond O, C double bond O. So the number of resonating bonds are 4 are present, and the number of resonating structures. So that is here one structure, and if it is come here, this bond minus charge will go here. So totally 2 resonating structure. The bond order will be 2. Then coming to the next option, that is here we'll see the bond order for CO. So carbon oxygen. So whenever we observe the structure, this will be the structure. So how many resonating structures? That is only one. And the number of resonating bonds 1, 2, 3. 3 divided by 1, that is 3. So now we'll see the bond order for the compound B. Compound B. So for compound B, CH3COO minus. So this is the, so whenever we see the resonating structures, CH3, C double bond O, O minus. So one resonating structure here, it is CH3, CO minus double bond O. Double bond O. This is the resonating structure. So here, whenever we observe how many resonating structures are there, 2 resonating structures. So the bond order here, it is how many resonating bonds are present? 3 here. 1, 2, 3. So 3 resonating bonds are present and 2 resonating structures are present. Bond order will be 1.5. Then coming to the option D, CO3 2 minus. CO3 2 minus. Whenever we observe here CO3 2 minus, so CO minus double bond O, O minus. O minus. This is one of the resonating structure of C CO3 2 minus. For this type of structures, the number of the bond order will be number of resonating bonds. How many resonating bonds are present? 4 resonating bonds. How many resonating structures are present? So that is here what will be the number present below the oxygen, that it will be 4 by 3. So whenever that is 4 by 3, that is equal to 1.33. 1.33. So among the given options, that is among the given bond order values 2, 3, 1.5, 1.33. So the bond order it is least for CO3 2 minus. So it will be the weakest bond because bond strength also least among the given options. So bond order also least. So it will be the weakest carbon oxygen bond. Weakest carbon oxygen bond in the option D, that is CO3 2 minus. So the final answer here it is option D, CO3 2 minus. Hope you understood well. Best of luck. Thank you so much.